Mulch is a great weed deterrent, but contrary to popular belief, it doesn't kill the weeds. First, you have to kill them yourself, either by extracting them or by using some kind of weed killer. But once you've done that, it really is very effective. Now, when you do put your mulch down, and there are certainly a variety of different kinds, you want to make sure that you're putting it at the right depth. Now, a finer mulch such as this is a wood bark, but it's a finer grade. You want to put that about maybe 2 to 3 inches. Now, a denser kind of mulch such as wood chips, bark, and even straw, you might go 3 to 4, possibly even 5 inches. Make sure that you don't put it too close to trunks of trees or shrubs because it can attract pests. Also, with those heavier mulches, they have a tendency to leach nitrogen from the soil. So make sure that you spend a little bit of time giving it a nitrogen-rich fertilizer or supplement before you put that mulch down. Also, remember that you'll need to renew these every now and then.